Let's find out how to fix the F1263 error code on the Worcester Bosch boiler. The F1263 error code on your Worcester Bosch boiler is a signal that indicates a problem with the heat control module, or HCM installation. Let's learn what causes the F1263 error. The main cause for F1263 is the wrongly installed or defective heat control module. When the HCM isn't properly installed, or if it's faulty, it can't communicate with the boiler, causing malfunctions. The next possible reason is the faulty control box. You need to call a gas-safe registered engineer to diagnose this issue. Remember, even a slight mismatch can disrupt communication among boiler components, leading to the F1263 error. Now, let's discover how to fix the F1263 error. First, you can try resetting the boiler. However, the resetting procedure can vary from boiler to boiler, depending on the boiler model. Sometimes, a simple boiler reset can do the trick. But if the error code is still showing up after resetting, it's definitely time to call a qualified gas-safe engineer. Because the next steps involve things you shouldn't do by yourself. Service steam heating engineers can handle all the boiler makes and models. As the accredited Worcester Bosch boiler installer, we guarantee to meet the highest standards set by the manufacturer. Click on the link below in the description to book a service team heating engineer. Thanks for watching, and stay warm.